We want the ihaw-ihaw. Go find place where we can first. We turn again. So we find a table. Because just like also barbecue. Daming tao, guys. Gaano kadami yung tao ngayon. Dito kami sa may ihaw-ihawan, guys. So, guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami yung tao ngayon dito. Ayan. Kasi ito yung place dito na may barbecue. Namimiss ko kasi yung isaw, guys. Kaya dito kami tumambay ngayon, guys. Magba-barbecue kami ngayon. At ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng barbecue. So, hinihintay ko si Habi at nag-order pa ng food dun sa loob.
Bisa tucat kan? Tin botol so, resep. Dia kira botol. Oke, kasih saya 2 botol lah Enke. What you want to drink?
Anything. Anything. Anything ba?
Just what you want to drink, Josh?
You want beer?
I drink beer.
You drink beer?
Daddy, I want like that.
Got Coke here, baby ko. Don't have
Coke?
Coke.
Daddy, I want
Got?
strawberry.
Pakai 1 Coke. Ada strawberry.
Strawberry. Don't have Josh.
Orange ada? Orange. Don't have.
Don't have. Coke na lang. Coke.
Coke lah.
Coke. We both Coke, Josh. We both Coke.
Coke lah.
Coke na lang.
Pepsi. Pepsi lah.
Pepsi.
Let's try this first, baby ko. Dry ba? Like, do.
Ada tisu. Ada silap dia tuh.
Why you say strawberry, Josh? You know also that don't have strawberry here.
Have no apple.
You want beer, Josh?
No, but
Nah, you take the tone, Josh. You take the chair.
Take the tissue.
Take the chair, Josh. Take the tone, chair. You see the tone.
Go the small chair, nak. Get me a chair. Ben. Ayan, amay na amay ko yung barbecue.
Huh? We got dirty. No
Not
dirty.
dirty that one. The paint only, Josh.
wala. Dirt na.
Namimiss ko yung ganito. Like this one at Philippines, a lot people are here. Na-try natin yung kanilang barbecue dito at hindi ko pa na-try yung barbecue dito nila. Last kain ko ng barbecue, yung satay lang naman yun. Joshua! Satay.
You take one already?
Not yet. Ah, yeah, just now.
Oh, sorry. Enak lah.
Oh,
Biasa, biasa, Bang.
Oke. Open na po dito.
Ya, biasa, Bang.
Sorry. Ikaw sa dokter.
Berapa?
Ikaw sa dokter. Baik.
So yummy. Yung get wet
Like, look like Sprite.
You put tissue, Josh. So wet.
Thank you.
Oh. You put here first, Josh, ha? Later, drop. Put tissue na. Iganon mo muna, naklinisan mo yun na. Tada!
What is that?
That is barbecue.
Ano kung akin? Ready, Mami?
This is so yummy, guys. Yummy.
Yum! I want to
Yeah.
taste.
Wait. Yan, guys. So, ano the rice, bebe ko? Got rice?
You want to eat rice?
Huh?
Order a lot or?
A lot? Barbecue?
No.
What?
Like mix.
Ah, okay.
Dad,
Careful, ah.
Yummy, Josh. I taste first already. Hmm? Come here. Dana.
I order a lot. Better.
Wow! Kain tayo, guys. Aming Pepsi namin, ah. Ay.
Sarap?
Oh, yummy.
Sarap? Hah? Don't throw here. Don't throw there. Don't. Throw here.
Yummy.
remember that one, Daddy?
Oh my goodness. Ito pa,
Anong
guys.
matigyate?
Ayan, guys, oh. Dumplings, this one, right? Yummy, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Tagal kong na-miss itong pagkain na to, eh. No diet tayo ngayon, guys. So, sarap na sarap si Diyos, oh. Dahan-dahan. Bubulunan ka.
Ay, ako ba ito? Ay, ako naman.
Lakas kumain ng anak ko. So yummy. Okay, so ay tayo. Ito yung sauce nila dito, guys. Peanut na ano. Parang ano lang din, kagaya ng sa Zamboanga. Sobrang juicy yung ano nila dito, guys. Kaya hindi maiwasang madaming tao dito ngayon. Ayan.
Ganyan masarap eh.
Kasi, ang sarap talaga ng ano nila. Timpla ng kanilang barbecue, guys. Sobrang juicy. Ayan.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, the other one pa. Saan na ito ilalagay? Just careful, just matatapon. Ayan, guys, oh. What's that, baby ko? What's that, the one?
Just don't put there. Cannot take no.
What's that one?
Fish.
Ah, fish. Take all. But here. Ayan, wala kaming diet ngayon, guys. Yummy! Kain tayo. Take that one. Shush. Don't ano, Josh. Guys, kain. Ayan, guys. Let's eat.
Oh, finish the pork.
Yes. Josh, oh. You never give daddy?
Never mind.
You buy additional, baby ko. Inubos ni Josh yung pork color cake. Guys, sobrang sarap ng kanilang fish dito, guys. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-juicy, guys. Huwag mo nililikot yung table. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-juicy yung kanilang fish. So, yummy, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, kung gaano ka-juicy ang kanilang ano dito, guys, oh. Fish.
Slowly eat, Josh. Slowly eat.
What fish is this, baby ko?
I don't know I don't know how to say.
Basta fish. Ay, basta fish. You forget the name. So juicy. Tisha, baby ko, be? Ayan, umiinom na po yung aking baby ko ng beer.
I say slowly.
Slowly, Josh.
People want to what with you, but you just eat. One person is eat all. People want to with you, you just eat only. You slowly eat.
Because Josh eat like ano, pig also. You eat like pig one. Ako, kakain na ako. Kahiga pala hindi siya umorder ng rice kasi dami pala yung in-order niya, ano. So, no rice kami ngayon, guys. At puro barbecue yung aming kakainin. Yummy, baby ko? Ah? Yummy. So this one, guys, ang sarap talaga niya, guys.
So not easy one.
So hot. With the sauce chili. Tutulo. Careful si Melody. How about you, Josh? Yummy. Careful, baby ko.
Where the light?
Yeah. Gonna eat this one. Guys, kain tayo. Lakas kumain ni Josh? Liit na, baby ko.
Full.
Ayan po ang aking mga mahal sa hotel. The other one, barbecue again.
Berapa?
We add barbecue because Josh finished our barbecue one. Guys, kain tayo.
Better, but we never laugh.
Later drop there. Just ano. What's inside here, baby ko? The pork?
That one again?
My baby ko, you see guys kung gaano kadami yung tao. Hanggang ngayon meron pa ding tao. Kanina pa kami nakaabang guys. Wow! Ang aking. Pero alam nyo, konti lang yung taba nila dito. Kahit ano. Hindi kagaya sa Pinas, di ba madaming ano.
You eat fish,
Madaming.
still hot. I don't know, you can finish some more.
You let him ba? Let him eat what he want. Ayan. Guys, nakapambahay lang kami guys kasi nakapambahay lang kami ngayon kasi biglaang nagyaya si Habit na kumain ng barbecue. Kasi nga nabanggit ko lang yung barbecue. Tapos biglang ano na kami,
Sarap?
gora na kami. Hindi nga ako nakapagsuklay eh. Biglang ano si Harvard nagyaya. Eat Joshua.
No. I say slowly, that's why I say.
Hindi siya nakapag-cut ng hair ngayon guys. Bukas na lang. Give me tissue, baby ko be. Sarap dito. Dapat pupunta kaming falls ngayon. Kanina. Hindi natuloy kasi umuulan. Kaya dito na lang kami nagpunta ngayon guys.
Not nice the fish.
Nice. Juicy, so juicy baby ko. The fish. That one, on top, kangkong right. Nasa top niya guys, kangkong. Oh, ayun. Sarap. Yummy. Pork yung nasa loob niya guys. Hindi ko maintindihan yung salita nila. Puro ano sila? Malay. Yummy, Josh. Natutulog na sana si Joshua eh. Nga dyan. Malapit lang to sa amin guys. Konting ano lang. Distansya lang. Namilit si Habi na kumain. Kaya,
Why you dirty that one?
don't ano Josh. Don't make dirty. So, kita nyo guys, ang dami pa rin kumakain hanggang ngayon. Dahil sikat ito dito.
Nah, eat the fish.
Eat Josh!
Fish.
Ay! Josh. Just take mo yung spoon. Ito, masarap yung kangkong.
Don't play.
Never play.
Kangkong. Yummy. Yummy na kangkong. How many chicken wings you order?
2.
Josh? Buhay ka pa? Buhay ka pa? Pag hindi ito naubos guys, uuwi ko to. Parang masarap. Mm. Pinagpapawisan na akong kakain. Kanina umulan, ngayon hindi na umulan. Raining just now, then now stop. No?
Hmm?
Raining, then now stop. Why you never eat?
I'm full. Actually, all only if you never eat. You want to eat rice, huh?
What's that rice?
You never eat ball.
Sabi ko, give me tissue, bigat tissue.
You never eat the one that you.
Finish already. Huh? Why?
You eat ball.
You eat, later he finish again. You eat now, later he finish again.
Never mind, order again.
Sige, Diyos, ubusin mo. Naka-order na naman si daddy mo. Guys, oh, sibuyas and
Don't
fish.
like that, but Josh.
Don't play, Joshua.
You eat like this. Don't like that. Later.
Don't play the stick.
The dog ball.
Wow. Ako lang yung kakain ito. Busin ko to lahat. Para tumaba na lang ako ng tumaba. Depende ako lumabas eh. Nakakakain tuloy ako ng madami. Nakakainis. Harap.
He forgot maybe the chicken. Maybe he forgot the chicken.
Because a lot customer, they forgot.
The chicken last time I bought that one. You remember?
The one that like,
Josh, don't play Josh. That
ano?
one. The-
Like sauce?
Yeah.
Josh, don't play ha. Later,
Don't kick out that one, huh? Because the cat is what pregnant.
may cat. May pusa. May pusa. May pusa. Meow. Hala, oh.
Sweet.
Ang cute ng pusa. Don't. I really like his, ano, maybe that one girl.
Pregnant lah, that one.
Girl?
Pregnant already.
We bring this one. We bring, mami ko.
Don't like cat.
Hindi na ba? Bring. Don't, ano,
Pregnant
owner.
that one.
Ha?
Pregnant.
Ay, pregnant na.
He's coming already.
Now, you see, he's really cute.
What?
I like cat early. I buy cat already, low.
You want food? You want food?
You buy us cat pa.
Don't give.
Later, see.
The food I buy give you the food, not for the cat.
Pregnant daw. Eh, di girl nga kasi pregnant na pala siya, oh. Josh really love cat. But daddy don't like cat, Josh.
I like cats.
We better, ano, full, dog only. Next time na lang, Josh. Pag gusto na ni Daddy ng cat, Josh. Tsaka mo pwede iposan.
Mati naman yung dog.
Nah, eat fish, Josh.
Don't talk, you eat, Joshua.
Nah.
Bibi ko, a lot that one you give. You cannot eat. Joshua, don't. Daddy. Hindi nga tayo pwede magbit-bit ng cat kasi nga pregnant yan.
Pag-pregnant, magbasasakit yung baby.
Gusto na naman po niya mag-adapt ng isang cat. Ano ba yan? Ang dami na nating aalagaan, Diyos. Adapt ka ng adapt ng cat. Ang sarap nito. I like the sauce.
Okay.
Sweet. Just don't touch ba? I really want to touch again the cat one. Cat dog also there. Oh. Isa o painom-inom ng beer. Dami ko pang ubusin, walang tumutulong. Joshua, eat na Joshua. Eat na kayo, mag-go home na tayo pagkatapos. Need
We
to
forgot already the chicken wing.
ask. You ask so that you not wait. You better eat na lang, baby. Yummy?
Already. I've done that. I've already bought.
You always, you always want pork, then later Josh, every time finish.
The chicken wing, I forgot.
You ask Gani. Ask first. Nak, don't touch Gani ba na?
Don't play ba, that one. Get pregnant ba.
Nakabisaya naman yung kung Joshua. Kaya hindi siya kasabot.
You play my dog, don't play that one.
And I'm like, big one. I want small.
Yeah, later I buy small tomorrow.
Ayaw na niya ng ayaw niya na ng dog, guys. Gusto na niya ng cat.
I buy tomorrow dog, small dog.
Buy small, buy.
Yeah, cheap. I buy tomorrow.
Not buy. I don't
Okay. You don't eat strawberry. Why you kick me? Hey, don't do like that.
You said not this berry.
No Milo.
Oh my lord.
Okay. Let's go.
So really, Josh, you always kick your daddy. Eat na, Josh. Eat mo to, ah.
Never mind, I don't care.
You finish this one, Josh, Ken. Busog na ako.
Buy small.
Don't kick the cat, huh?
Don't kick, bro.
Pregnant, that one, don't kick, huh?
Kain ka na, nak. Kain ka na. Joshua.
Don't touch.
Nako. Kain ka na, baka uuwi tayo. Joshua. Ang ni Josh, nakakainas na. Joshua, eat ka na, nak.
Eat lah, eat the fish.
I
You want again? I order again. No.
Yes.
You want this one? I order again. The pork. Eat lah, I order again.
Josh.
Daddy, why the black hair, the brown one?
Tomorrow you work with me. I give you it now. Tomorrow you work again.
Why the dog black hair, Daddy?
Josh, come. Na. Full na daw si Josh. So, ang lagay nito, ako yung uubos.
Then you never eat rice?
Oh my goodness. Ako yung uubos.
Wrap.
Just now, lunch, he never eat rice. He eat only noodles. He said he don't like rice. He just want plain noodle.
I go buy bacon. You don't eat.
Para talaga tong bata tong dalawang to. Always fighting. Wait na nago Joshua.
I buy you strawberry.
Why you like that?
Tay, di ka na bila ni daddy ng fruit.
You don't drink the milk.
What?
That one I buy for myself.
Why you not drink?
I drink.
Never na. Why not able to drink?
But ayaw mo mag-drink si daddy Josh? Ayaw mo mag-drink si daddy Josh?
That's why I want to keep on fasting.
Don't kick na. Don't bite.
Ayaw kick. You go. You go.
May anak ka.
Go kick. Go.
Pag talaga tong dalawang nagsama, lagi talaga to silang nagpa-fighting. Oh, where are you going? Don't follow daddy. Don't follow. Ala, iniwan na nila ako dito. Paano ko ubusin to? Magsosolo na lang yata ako, guys. Iniwan ako ng dalawa, guys. Oh my God. Dami ko pang ubusin. Parang hindi na kaya ng tiyan ko. Finish na, guys. Konti na lang, finish na. Uwi na kami.
Just arrived the chicken wing. I don't know. Was a long time.
I cannot finish already, bebe ko.
Never mind lah. Don't finish. Don't finish. No people ask you to finish. Nah.
I cannot finish one. Hindi ko na kaya. Super.
Oh, finish.
Joshua, drink that one, Joshua. Ayan. Patik out pa kami ng isa. Yung fish kasi nasarapan kami sa fish. Iuuwi namin sa bahay. After nito guys, diretso na kami sa bahay. Kasi late na rin. What time na now, baby ko? Right, they sell also noodles here. Finish! Ayan. 还没有啊，还没有。